नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु सदा. Students, we are on the 15th part of coordinate geometry. 10th standard SSC maths 2 का part है ये. We are on the problem set. We have already completed 8 question. Now we are on the 9th question. Find K if line passing through point P and Q, that is minus 12 and minus 3, and Q is 4 comma K, has a slope on 1 upon 2. Means they have given a slope coordinate of P, and in K coordinate of Q they have given what? K. So what I am going to write? Solution for point, which point P, minus 12 minus 3 and Q 4 comma K, let co-ordinate of point P be x1 y1 and point Q be x2 y2. Therefore, x1 is equal to minus 12, y1 is equal to minus 3, x2 is equal to 4, and y2 is equal to k. Got it now? So, now they have given the slope. Slope is not 1 upon 2. Then, as we can write, slope of line PQ M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope they had given as what? 1 upon 2. y2 का value है k. y1 is nothing but minus 3 upon x2 is 4 minus 12. So what we are getting is 1 upon 2 is equal to k plus 3 upon 4 plus 12. So 1 upon 2 is equal to k plus 3 upon 16. 1 into 16 upon 2 is equal to k plus 3. So what you are getting is 8. 8 is equal to k plus 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to k. So what answer we are getting is 5 is equal to k, or k is equal to 5. They have asked the value of k only. This is the answer for what? 9th question. Comment on it properly. Now see the question number 10. Show that the line joining point A 4 comma 8 and B 5 comma 5 is parallel to the line joining 2 comma 4 and 1 comma 7. Okay. So how to find that these two lines are parallel or not? So for that we know that if the two lines have equal slope, then they are parallel to each other. So what we are going to do? Solution for points A 4 comma 8, point B 5 comma 5, point C 2 comma 4, and point D 1 comma 7. Let co-ordinate of points A, B, x1, y1, point B, B, x2, y2, point C, B, x3, y3, and point D, B, x4, y4. Co-ordinates for point A, B, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, point C is x3, y3, and point D, B, x4, y4. So what is x1? x1 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to 8, x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to 5, x3 is equal to 2, y3 is equal to 4, x4 is equal to 1, y4 is equal to 7. So first of all, we'll find out the slope of line. Therefore, slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. What is the value of y2? y2 is 5. y1 is 8. And x2 is 5 minus 4. What are you getting? 5 minus 8 is equal to 5 minus 4. So, what we are getting is slope of line AB is equal to minus 3 by 1, that we are going to put in a box. And slope of line CD, slope of line CD is equal to y4 minus y3 upon x4 minus x3. y4 is 7 minus 4 upon 1 minus 2. That is 7 minus 3 upon 1 minus 2 is 7 minus 4 is 3 upon minus 1. That is the slope of line CD is equal to minus 3 upon 1 again. If I am taking an equation 1, I am taking an equation 2. So, what I can write then? From equation 1 and 2, what I can write is slope of line AB is equal to slope of line CD. Therefore, line AB is parallel to line CD. The reason for it is if two lines have equal slope, are parallel to each other. This way we are going to write it. This is it. Cover down it properly. They have asked that 11 questions. Show that points P, Q, R and S are the vertices of parallelogram. एक काम करते हैं हम लोग डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. Okay, it will be look like what parallelogram, but consider नहीं करना कि वो parallelogram है. Okay, we have to prove that it is a parallelogram. Okay, so here it is P, Q, R and S. Okay, so for points P 1, minus 2, Q 5, 2, R 3, minus 1 and S minus 1, minus 5. Let co-ordinates of point P be x1, y1, point Q be x2, y2, point R be x3, y3, point S be x4 and y4. So if you see, what is the value of x1? x1 is 1, y1 is minus 2, x2 is 5, y2 is 2, x3 is 3, y3 is minus 1, x4 is minus 1 and y4 is minus 5. So it is 1 comma minus 2, which is x1 y1. This will be x2 y2, and I am having coordinates 5 comma 2. R is x3 y3 is 3 comma minus 1, and x4 y4 is minus 1 comma minus 5. So we have to prove that it is a parallelogram. This quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Parallelogram की दो खासियत है. अगर if you want to prove that it is a parallelogram and they have given a coordinate of vertices, so there are two ways. अगर opposite sides are parallel, pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Or pair of opposite sides are congruent, then it is a parallelogram. So anyway we can do it. We have to find out the by distance formula. We can find out the length of all the sides. We'll get answer. और मुझे लगता है slope से भी हमें आंसर मिलेगा. So slope of side PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 is nothing but 2 minus minus 2, and x2 is 5 minus 1. So that is equal to 2 plus 2, 5 minus 1. So slope of side PQ is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4 upon 1 is equation 1. This is slope of line PQ. Once we got the slope of line PQ, we can find that is side QR. So we find out what slope of side QR. QR is nothing but y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x2. That is equal to y3. Y3 is nothing but minus 1 minus 2 upon x3. x3 is 3 minus x2 is 5. So what you are getting is minus 1 minus 2 upon 3 minus 5. So we are getting minus 3 upon minus 2. So you are getting answer slope of the line QR is equal to 3 upon 2 is equation number 2. Okay, let me check it once again. Y3 is minus 1 minus 2 upon 3 minus 5. Okay, what is now? Now we'll go for the next. What is that? Slope of side. Slope of side. Slope of side RS is equal to x4 y4 minus y3 upon y4 minus x4 minus x3. y4 is minus 5 minus y3 is minus 1. x4 is minus 1 minus 3. So we are getting minus 1 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 upon minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 upon minus 4. What you got? Slope of line RS is equal to minus 1. Okay, here I made a mistake. 4 by 4 is 1. Here also slope is 1. So slope of line RS is Minus minus get cancelled, it is 1. Okay. Now, here it is 3 once again. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 get cancelled, 1. This is equation number 3. After that, we have to find out what? Slope of line PR. Side PR. Side PR. Here also we are going to write side PR is equal to y4 minus y1 upon x4 minus x1. y4 is minus 5. y1 is 1 upon x4 is minus 1. Here it will be 1. So, what we are getting is minus 5 minus 1 upon minus 1 minus 1 is minus 6 upon minus 2. So, slope of side PR is equal to 3 upon the equation. Have you understood this now? Now, what we can do is, if you see the equation 1, it is slope of PQ is 1, slope of RS is 1, slope of QR is 3 by 2, and slope of PR is also what? PS. Okay. So from equation 1 and 3, I'll get slope of side PQ is equal to slope of side RS. Slope of side RS. Therefore, if two sides have equal slope, they are parallel to each other. Therefore, side PQ is parallel to side RS. You take it as equation 5. Similarly, from equation 2 and 4, I can say slope of side RS is equal to slope of side PS. PS. This is QR. Therefore, side QR is parallel to side PS. This I take as equation number 6. So, in quadrilateral PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side RS and side QR is parallel to side PS. From 5 and 6, therefore, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. You are going to write by definition. What are you going to write? By definition. We are going to stop here. Once again, what I did, they have asked that the point P, Q, R, S are the vertices of parallelogram. This is the thing they have given to you. P, Q, R, and S. They are given x1, y1, x2, y2, and x1. So we first find out value of what slope of PQ is. What you got? 1. Slope of QR is 3 by 2. Slope of RS is again 1. And slope of PS is 3 by 2. So ultimately, when these two are having equal slope, means they are parallel to each other. Side PQ is parallel to side RS. This is the reason we are going to write. And similarly, QR. Side QR is parallel to side PS. So in quadrilateral PQ is parallel to RS and QR is parallel to PS. Means quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram by definition. Definition of parallelogram was a quadrilateral is said to be parallelogram if the pair of opposite sides are parallel. That's why it is a parallelogram. Copy down it properly. Opposite the beginning. Now see the 12th question. Show that the quadrilateral PQRS formed by point P2, 1, Q minus 1, 3, R minus 5, minus 3 and S minus 2, minus 5 is a rectangle. हमें rectangle prove करना है. इसके पहले वाला हमने प्रूव कर दिया पैरेललोग्राम. पैरेललोग्राम के लिए आपने मैं दो टेक्निक बताया था. Either we find out the distance से show that opposite sides are congruent, then it is a parallelogram, or opposite sides are parallel, then it is a rectangle, then it is a parallelogram. अब यहाँ अगर मैंने opposite sides congruent लिया तो property rectangle की है. But if I prove that opposite sides are congruent, it is a parallelogram. उसके साथ और कुछ प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. Then only we will be able to prove that it is a rectangle. So in this case, we will find out all the sides. First we prove that pair of opposite sides are congruent, and then one more property of rectangle is there, that is the diagonals also congruent, then it is a rectangle. तो अब हम लोग एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं रेक्टेंगल का. This is a rectangle and diagonals. This is a diagonal and we have to prove that diagonals are congruent. So I'll do one thing. P, Q, R, S. This I will take it as 2, 1 means x1, y1, x2, y2 is minus 1, 3. This is x3, y3 is minus 2, minus 5. Minus 5, minus 3. And S is x4, y4 minus 2, minus 5. So what we are going to do? पहली बात तो all sides we find out the all length of all the sides by using a distance formula. अगर opposite sides congruent हुए it become a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram if the diagonals also congruent it is become a rectangle. तो हमें क्या क्या निकालना है? सब sides भी निकालनी है और length of diagonals भी निकालना है, इसलिए it may take more place also. So here it is a solution. Okay, and I am going to start here. Let for points P, that is 2, 1, Q minus 1, 3, R minus 5, minus 3, and S is minus 2, minus 5. Let co-ordinate of points P be x1, y1, point Q be x2, y2, point R be x3, y3, and point S be x4, y4. So what we are getting is x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to minus 5, y3 is equal to minus 3, x4 is equal to minus 2, y4 is equal to minus 5. So you are going to find out all the lengths. So by using distance formula. So first of all, we find out distance PQ, means length of side PQ. Length of side PQ is under root x2 minus x1 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square is the distance formula. x2, so you are going to put x square bracket, x2 is minus 1 minus x1 is 2, the whole square, y2 is 3 minus 1 the whole square, that is equal to under root minus 1 minus 2 the whole square, and 3 minus 1 the whole square is minus 3 the whole square plus 2 the whole square is equal to 3 ka square is 9 and 2 ka square is 4. So distance PQ is equal to under root 13, or length PQ is equal to root 13 units, is equation 1. This is length PQ. Then we are going to find out distance QR. Distance QR is under root x3 minus x2 the whole square and y3 minus y2 the whole square. So distance PQ is equal to under root x3. x3 is minus 5 in square bracket minus 5 minus minus 1 the whole square plus y3 is minus 3 minus 3 the whole square, it is coming as what? Minus 5 plus 1 the whole square, minus 3 the whole square, minus plus minus minus is minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 the whole square, and minus 6 the whole square. It is coming as 16 plus 36. We are getting 16 plus 36 is nothing but 52 is length QR. The length QR is equal to root 52, that we can write as what? Or let it be distance PQ, 13 into 4. So length PQ is equal to 2 root 13 units, is equation 2. After that, we got length QR. Once you got QR, we are going to find out length RS. So distance RS is equal to under root, we can write x4 minus x3 the whole square and y4 minus y3 the whole square, that is equal to x4 is under root minus 2 minus minus 5 the whole square, and y4 is minus 5 minus 3 the whole square, that is equal to minus 2 plus 5 the whole square and minus 5 plus 3 the whole square. It is coming as what? 3 the whole square plus 2 the whole square. So it is, we are getting 9 plus 4. So length RS is equal to root 13 units, is equation 3. Okay, got it now? Distance PS is equal to under root x4 minus x1 the whole square, y4 minus y1 the whole square is equal to under root x4 is minus 2 the whole square plus y4 is minus 5, okay, plus minus 1 the whole square. So we are getting minus 2 the whole square plus minus 5 plus minus 1 the whole square. It is coming minus 4 square minus 6 square is equal to 16 plus 36, 52. That is 30 into 4. And we are getting length PS is equal to 2 root 13. 2 root 13 units is equation number 4. Got it? Now, what I can write in quadrilateral PQRS, length PQ. Length PQ is root 13 is equal to length RS from 1 and 3 and length QR is equal to length PS from 2 and 4. Therefore, as pair of opposite sides are congruent, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. As a pair of opposite sides are congruent, this one is a parallelogram. Therefore, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. We are to put in this box. Is it right? After doing that, we have to find out distance PS. Distance PR. PR is a diagonal. Now we have to find out this diagonal. Diagonal is nothing but x3 minus x1 the whole square and y3 minus y1 the whole square is equal to x3. x3 is nothing but minus 5 minus that is 2 the whole square and minus 5 minus 2 the whole square and here it will be minus 3 minus 1 the whole square. That is equal to, in bracket, minus 5 minus 2 the whole square minus 3 minus 2 the whole square. It is nothing but minus 7 the whole square minus 4 the whole square. So length PR is equal to, we are getting 49 plus 16, that is equal to 5 and it becomes 65 units. That is equation number, I think, 5. This is length PR and by here you can write distance formula. No need to write over here. And distance PR. Now it is QS. QS is equal to x4 minus x2 the whole square, y4 minus y2 the whole square is equal to x4 is nothing but in square bracket minus 2 minus 1 the whole square plus y4 is minus 5 minus 3 the whole square. That is equal to minus 2 plus 1 the whole square plus minus 5 minus 3 the whole square is nothing but 1 square plus minus 8 square is equal to 1 plus 64, and length QR is equal to root 65 units is equation number 6. And at last, after this, we are going to write that in this parallelogram, when diagonals are also congruent, therefore I can write from 5 and 6, length PR is equal to length QS. So, after this, we are going to give a statement that quadrilateral in a parallelogram, when diagonals are also congruent, it is a rectangle. But I don't have a place, so we'll write it later on. So do one thing, you copy down the entire thing properly. See once again, what I did, they have given that these are the coordinate of vertices they have given to you. They have asked to prove that it is a rectangle. लेकिन रेक्टेंगल की प्रॉपर्टीज हमें इतनी मालूम होनी चाहिए कि इफ अपोजिट साइड्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, बट अपोजिट साइड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. और पैरेललोग्राम के बाद सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी की डायगोनल्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट मींस इन अ पैरेललोग्राम इफ PR is equal to QS है then it is a rectangle. So what we did, we surrounded all the sides PQ, QR, RS and TS. तो हमें मालूम पड़ा कि PQ is equal to RS and QR is equal to PS. As the pair of opposite sides are congruent, it is a parallelogram. So quadrilateral PQR is a parallelogram. Again, we find out apply the distance formula. We find out PR as well as QS. They also become equal in a parallelogram if diagonals are congruent. It is a parallelogram. Copy down it properly by pausing the video. If you are not getting it, rewind the video and see it once again. We are going to write the statement in parallelogram. If diagonals are congruent, it is a rectangle. Therefore, quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. That we are going to put in a box, and this is your answer. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. So now you have to copy down it. And students, we are going to stop here for the 15th part of coordinate geometry. I think 2 more parts are left. We'll complete the problem set. Copy down it.